Hi, I'm Julie Goddard. I'm a professor of food science at Cornell University, a mom, a wife, a mediocre gardener, and a survivor of imposter syndrome. Food science to me is so much more than I thought it was when I was 20 years old taking my first food science class. It's using science and technology to keep food safe, make it affordable and accessible. It's getting the food from where it's grown to transforming it into products and then transporting it to the people who will eat it. It's coming up with new technologies to reduce food waste and improve the sustainability of the food system. It's understanding how we taste and perceive foods to learn how we can develop foods to help people with unique health and dietary needs. It's educating people all along the food supply chain, including you and me, to give us the tools we need to effectively feed the world. It's a lot of things. And that what I just listed there barely scratches the surface. So that's what food science is to me. What made me want to pursue the field of food science? Honestly, I love applications-driven science. I love applications-driven projects, research, etc. I am much more personally connected to my work when I can envision how the end application of my research will help people and the environment. And there's a lot of fields that can scratch that itch, but the inherent interdisciplinary nature of food science really inspires me. My research program is in biomaterials and biointerfaces in food and agriculture. We explore how materials used to handle, preserve, and package our foods can play a critical role in the safety, quality, shelf life, and sustainability of those foods. We use material science, food chemistry, food microbiology, and food engineering every day as we synthesize new materials and coatings to improve the food system. The areas and concentrations that my research involves, I just mentioned, things like chemistry, engineering, microbiology, etc. We do look at some kind of more commodity-driven work, looking at, say, waste streams from dairy processing, but we're also really interested in the fundamental material science piece of the research that we do. What do I want to see in food science in the next 10 years? I want to see more people who maybe didn't think they even had a seat at the table lead the meetings, own the companies, run the research programs. I want to see people continue to push the boundaries of how food science can help address some of the grand challenges that we face as a society. Things like supply chain issues, environmental sustainability, big issues like climate change, food security. And I really, personally, I do want to see the discipline of food science get the recognition and respect that it deserves for the absolutely essential impact that it has on society. Okay, what's one piece of advice that I would give students to get ready for a career in food science? Well, whether it's food science or any other career, I would honestly say, and this is coming from a chronic worrier, try to worry less. If you're working hard, training hard, and going towards a positive goal for yourself, you're doing great. I got a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering, specifically so that I could have an excellent career, a well-paying career where I don't need graduate school. 4 years into working in industry, I developed a passion for research, got my PhD in food science, fully intending to go back to industry. Somewhere along the line, I fell in love with academic research and mentorship and became a professor and haven't looked back. I was probably 30 years old when I knew for sure what I wanted to do with my career. So if you are 17, 18, 19, I don't care, 25 years old, and you're doing the stuff, you're doing the training, you're trying the things, and you're still not 100% sure, it's okay. Keep working hard, keep trying stuff, and try not to worry too much about doing the right thing. Just do the things, and the rest, it will sort itself out. Thanks for listening. Again, I'm Julie Goddard, Cornell University, Department of Food Science professor. All the best in figuring out what it is you want to do. Try the stuff and you can do just great.